Well, my friends, today is Sunday, April 4th, and this is what we woke up to. A little crisis with one of the house plants, compliments of the house cats. So, as you can see, it is not supposed to be on the floor or the soil or spread all over the counter. So Kevin came down to this morning. This is our poor little ZZ plant. I'll hold her up here. Kevin picked her up off the floor. There we go. So I'm going to have to go ahead and repot her today. Go out and find a pot for her and see if we can make her happy. Again, this is the Zig Zag plant. There's one of the cats. The Zig Zag plant. Not the ZZ, the Zig Zag. And then I'll probably talk a little bit about that type of plant. Once I do a little more research, you can kind of put everything together. But yeah, the cats were very creative this morning. God bless them. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, it's a week later after the ZZ plant took a big crash on the floor because of our kitty cat. And I thought I'd give you a little update on how she's coming along and what we did as far as transplanting. I also did a little research, just a little bit about the plant, just in case you're interested in getting one sometime. So here we go. I'll show you what she looks like now. We're back in the dining room again, and here she is in her new pot. This time I put her in a clay pot, and it's a little easier on her. It doesn't get waterlogged as much. I'm going to just pick her up so you don't have the philodendron behind her. But she's doing very well. I was worried she's going to shock and would drop leaves, and but she didn't at all. The thing about this is actually it's a type of cactus. They had it in the genus called Epiphyllum, but now they changed it for some reason to disco cactus. It's from Mexico, and a lot of people will wait until it grows and put it in big hanging baskets. And when I looked it up, it makes gorgeous flowers. White, beautiful flowers. So if you're interested in getting it, I think I got this like at Walmart. So it's kind of common, but Google it, and Zig Zag Plant, also known as fishbone cactus. It is likes moderate light, well-drained soil, and it's very easy to care for, and you can give babies away just by cutting the leaves. There's plenty of YouTubes on that, once you make a cut, just letting the bottom dry and then sticking it in some soil or sphagnum moss and letting the roots go ahead and develop, and then potting it up. One person I can recommend is Summer Ray Oaks. She has many YouTube videos. Plant One on Me is one of her channels. Also Phlox is another. I'll see if we can put that at the bottom of the list there for you. But this is a great plant, and I'm so glad that she lived. And Maya has been behaving herself and not knocking any more plants over in this time. So once again, Ms. Zig Zag, so happy she's doing well. Take care. Bye-bye. If you like, give a thumbs up. We greatly appreciate it. And join our channel. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.